Hi guys, and welcome to Microsoft Access SQL tutorial. This time around we're going to be using the OR operator to select a record which matches either of the above. So what I intend to do is let's close this and we'll go straight into create here, and let's select the query design, and in here I'm just going to select, make sure selection is selected, and click on the SQL right there. And in here what I want to do is I'm going to say select all, the star represent all, from rescue dog, where the one of the criteria is male, or approximate size. Let's say the size is going to be, we say, is small. So what is going to happen in here is, you might be thinking the end result would be just for male. No, because of this all, what will happen is the system will just generate both male and female that are of small category. So let's come in here and just run it and see what's going to happen. Click on run. There is an error here, the spelling that was supposed to be rescue dog. So let's try that again. There we go, look at it. So the system must actually display small, male, and look at the female, small. That's for the female. But because it's a or, male or is small or large, anyone can be displayed, or either of those are displayed. So we have male large, male small, female small, and that is the or. That's how the or operator works. But let's assume I said if I change that to and check out what's going to happen with and. There we go. Because the condition, both condition must be true. But in this case with the or, only one of the condition just need to be true. So let's say we go for large and see what's going to happen with the large. Change this to large and run that. There we go, look at that. Okay, so that is how the or works. But then let's just save this, save, query all. There we go. So I'm going to say bye for now.